Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the iPhone Personal Hotspot so your PC can use its cellular data. Plug your iPhone into the PC with a Lightning cable for the most reliable link, and when the Trust This Computer prompt appears, tap Trust. Once done, open Settings on the iPhone and confirm Personal Hotspot is active. Make sure cellular data is on and you have signal. This matters because the PC will borrow that connection. Now switch to your PC to finish the network setup. On your PC, click the network or Wi-Fi icon and look for the iPhone network name or Apple USB Ethernet adapter when connected by cable. If you picked Wi-Fi, enter the hotspot password shown on the iPhone and make sure the phone stays unlocked so the hotspot stays active. For Bluetooth, pair the devices and accept any numeric code so Windows uses the iPhone as a network source. If the connection is slow, switch to USB for better throughput and stability. Finally, confirm the PC can browse the web or run a quick ping to test connectivity. If you don't have internet, first toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then reconnect the USB cable or rejoin the Wi-Fi hotspot. Make sure to trust the computer again if prompted. If pairing or drivers fail, restart the iPhone and the PC. This often clears temporary issues. If problems persist, update both devices' operating systems and retry. Updates resolve many compatibility glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.